I need to shake my booty. Hey.
My name is Ebube, or you can call me Bube or EB. Babe, cloud chasing is the new thing.
It's the new deal. Oh, I am higher. I do not settle for less. And that's why they see me in the press.
My friend, that information is misleading and could chase away intending suitors who would love to marry you.
She claimed to be in a relationship with the CEO of the press cart.
He's trying to cover me up pretending to be Alexis Prescott.
But I met Alexis Prescott here in your house. What are you talking about?
But the person you met wasn't Alex Prescott. The person was my houseboy.
You've always gotten the whole admiration while I hover behind your shadow like a dog, waiting patiently for the scrap of food that will fall off the table.
If you think I'm going to sit back and watch some low-life kind of girl use the name of my fiancé for her fraudulent activity, you better rethink.
I hope you know the implications of that accusation.
They will always talk, so let them keep talking.
Do everything to protect your libido.
I am not a specimen in a tube.
Beautiful.
And I am not an erotic object to satisfy your lusts.
700?
God, oh, I'm only avoiding insufficient fund.
She has not been taking money from people, all in the name of Alexis.
Babe, wake up! Collect your money while you sleep.
Ebube, I think it's high time you stopped this.
Ebube Anosike has been kidnapped.
Sometimes I wonder why we do not get all the things we want in this life, even when we work hard towards it.
I was the one who took you to the university, paid your school fees, and then you now have dreams. Were you dreaming before you got to the university?
He's actually threatening me.
Your overbearing approach towards this girl is no longer condoned here.
Love of today needs sufficient fund. Love isn't just enough.
Either he leaves or I leave.
Hey, mama, no more insufficient fun.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.